What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Enlistment Office and Whiteout. Let's start by opening the Whiteout Survival app. The Enlistment Office is one of the buildings in Whiteout Survival, which is to provide reserve troops, wherein these troops will only appear if the number of your injured troops exceeds the capacity that can be accommodated by the infirmary. You will often use this enlistment office in certain events like fortress battles or doing raid or being raided by other players. And to recruit troops from the enlistment office, all you have to do is to enlist all the available troops using loyalty. Loyalty is obtained over time as long as you play the game. Also, you can get loyalty from daily missions or by it using gems. The enlistment office is important, especially when you are active and doing raids, but take note that the enlistment office can only replace some troops fall in battle. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.